Welcome back to Gaza Zone. You see me. You don't know when you come to the Gaza platform, it's nothing but straight, fully Gaza. Nothing about the world boss, nothing about Vybz Kartel, nothing about the teacher. And you don't know from the teacher release a peer fire. You see me. Content on top of content. And the teacher they everywhere. Right now, him there on Sean Storm TV with a fresh interview. The interviewer, him a go say some things on you never hear in your entire life. So you see me on the ready, light up on the spliff, get on the drinks, get on the popcorn, get wherever on the need for get comfy, put up on the legs, relax, and check out the banger.
With no further explanation and nothing else to say, we have to introduce the world boss right now, on Vybz Kartel, Adija. Come on.
Similarly up to the time, you know it's Vybz Kartel, representing for Sean Storm TV and Talk Dancehall. And first of all, we have to big up King Stitch, Big Youth, and Daddy Roy will start Dancehall.
See that?
And then we have to big up the host, one little short Dancehall.
See that? Oh.
Dog on things.
I am here right now, and if you have leisure to see you outside and just within the atmosphere everywhere, because when we look on my phone, we see it everywhere. And it's just amazing to have you back on the streets right now. First and foremost, people want to know what's it like right now to be outside after so many years. What's it like?
I feel like a new person right now.
See that?
You know the things?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, God, we've been inside so long. The sad thing about being inside is getting used to the routine. You know what I mean? You're there so long that you get used to the routine, and it's not a good thing. Why? Because it institutionalizes you. So coming back outside now, right now me I feel learn. It's like me I readapt to society. You know what I mean? Me I feel rehabilitate myself. And the feeling is still a processing, but what me can say, it feels good. Yes, man.
And what's it like to see your children most of all? Like, everybody grown up now, grandkids. What's it like? Your mom, your dad? What's it like just being around family right now?
I'm going to tell a thing, man. Them a bad word of bigger than happy.
Supercalifragilistic.
Espialidocious. And that's the thing. Trust me, no joke. You know, if you see my mother, and one time I ever see my mother while I locked up, you know. And I went to the hospital. And they asked the superintendent at the time, Super Brown, Eddie Brown, they asked him at the time if my mother could have come visit me at the hospital. You know what I mean? Because I never one time to forward to prison. You understand? And if she sent me to prison. You know what I mean? Yeah, so I never want to father the prison. So when I was sick one time, I'm in the hospital. I asked the superintendent, you know? Yeah, give me a little reply, and he did. So big up Eddie Brown, you know what I mean? And I saw me see my mother. It's a time when my grandchildren, when me just get locked up, I had children, and those children gave me grandchildren. So you see it? It did, man. Trust me, yeah, it's an amazing feeling. As you say, supercalifragilistic espialidocious.
Right. I want to ask you, it's a funny question.
Why is it funny?
Right.
She know it did forward.
People, I know, I was prepared for it, right? I was prepared for it. So, after not being around a steering wheel for 13 long years, what was it like for you the first time being in a vehicle behind the steering wheel?
You should know because you didn't have the back seat of video me. People, you should wicked. So you know, you didn't have the back seat of video me, boy. Me feel scared. I'm never up on the toll. But you know, as I said earlier, a lot of things you have to relearn. Because just driving, bro, you know things say, yeah, we've been not driving for 20 years. But 13 years not driving, different thing. 13 years not interacting with regular people, different thing. So a lot of things you have to relearn. You know what I mean? Yeah, man. So rehabilitation not only starts when you're in prison. After you leave, you have to reintegrate in a society. So it was difficult, but we still are get there. You know what I mean? As I say, equilibrium so reach, so find the balance.
Right. Alright, so how do you social media, because at the time social media was not such a big thing, right? And now social media is the thing. So how do you adapt to that? How do you work with that?
I mean, just like everything else, we are trying to re-adapt and relearn it. But remember, Vybz Kartel, before Vybz Kartel got arrested, we were the kings of what was then social media. You know what I mean? Even when we did have my Kartel Speaks His Mind program, which you could have called it vlogging. At them times, before we as Jamaicans even get used to the term vlogging. You know what I mean? And that's how when they even say things like, this time here I was thinking they were Bill Gates. You know, all of them think they were. Exactly. So social media for we consider Vybz Kartel one of the pioneers in the early social media movement. And now we see fast improvement. What you say, bro?
BBM blast.
And BBM and them the Blackberry. So yeah, I know social media, as we say, it around the whole place. Yeah man, it's fun man. The people them say me feed everything. I see all 2 mosquitoes are fuck. Have sex. I'm the video.
Yeah.
So it's just a joy, you know? Yeah.
Right, and I'm glad that you touch on that, you know, because remember before you guys went away.
Wifey guys.
Before you went
You must
away.
start our share drink people. And that start you.
That part
You must start you.
in it, actually say mosquito. So before you went away, right? Remember teacher's pet was the thing.
Yes man.
Teacher's pet was the thing, you know. Them time them I go to school, I can't wait for reach home to watch CVM just for see what going, right? So teacher's pet was the thing on
Friday?
it was on Fridays, yes, every Friday. Right? So that was one of the biggest things at the time. Right? So right now, the whole social media is right now, and everything that you have been doing back then, so it wouldn't be a difference. It wouldn't really be a difference, right? Because as I said, Kartel Speaks His Mind, that would have been the vlogging of that time. So right, so it's nothing new right now. So speaking about teacher's pet, do you have any plans of starting over?
Yes and no. If you mean starting but like another reality series, yes, definitely. Because you know we have Kiss Me Baby TV, but we are working on now, you know, pick up my fiance, we're pretty than Beyonce, that's Sidem, you know what I mean? So that's a good point thing. So we definitely I'm gonna do a next reality series. Kiss Me Baby at the start, and my son them say them want to do a series too. Maybe I them have to continue the kind of teacher's pet vibe. I remember me a one burner now, like coal stove, you know.
Right.
You see me? You have to cook the rice and take it off and then you fry the chicken. You know the way there? Yeah, so a one burner settings. But yeah man, reality TV, we have to involve in that. Because you know, as we say, as I even you say how you see when he was a little school girl coming home, she dying for the Kartel. Exactly. So yeah, the answer to that is yes.
Right. What's it been like to actually be in studio with your sons and boys, and just to see them while they are doing what they're doing, and for them to see you, the great, in action, actually performing and building a song from scratch, and what's it like to just be in that space with them?
Now be a good question you're asking. A long time for the interview. Yeah man. Because I feel it. But believe me, Sifa. Yeah man, because I tell you say, being in the studio, as I said earlier, when they leave, get locked up, then you have kids, like literal children, babies.
You got cancer, Shamstam with a
Shamstam, you remember Siva?
Shamstam.
Alright, so little of them time them could say Shamstam or if it's a Shamstam, as I hear Siva say. You know what I mean? Ikodan, him could even walk a creepy material, like TLC. And since my father road, the man them build them own studio in my yard. I'm literally record songs on it, so the comment, I told you that the comment is coming, that literally record in the studio when my son them set up. Trust me man, I tell you, it's an amazing feeling to know, say, and it's an amazing feeling, and it's also a kind of sad feeling to know, so I lose so much time. You know what I mean? So it's a bittersweet. Why is it tasting? But you understand what I mean, people, trust me man. So I tell you, I feel so good. And them feel so good because when them a watch me an actual record in a them adult stage now, them a say, yo, what's the teacher, what?
Right.
So them just a see how I go to work, you know them really? So yeah man, it was a good feeling.
So remember, I'm telling you before, I'm gonna tell you again, you only get the exclusives right here on Sean Sam TV, Talk Dancehall, where we talk dancehall, and we are here now with dancehall, right? Alright, so yeah, I'm happy that you spoke about the comments, because the comments outside on the internet. What did you say about, how did the comment come about?
The worst? Well, a long time I tell them, I remember in a comment, is a thing where I travel through space at miles per second,
Right.
thousands of miles per second. You see me? And when it hit, it make a big impact on them.
Yes,
You know what I mean?
mushroom.
And as a matter of fact, I did tell them 6 years before, and they said, people said, damn it, I hear about it again on the planet, feeling erratic and bleach out and colored like Spider-Man comic, the comet is coming, no one can stop it. But tell them, so we don't forward and they feel like a joke. So when we forward now, they say, I thought I told you that the comet is coming. So that's how we get the punchline for the song. Now, the verse for the song, like you notice me with the one long verse.
One long word.
You understand?
Right.
Yeah. Me in a Air Force and a Converse. So, even the part of me say, Christian did not go out the road, the heat worse, because from forward out, it's like the people that put me in the hot seat.
Right.
So the heat worse. People say, Kartel, yeah man, you fi bleach. Kartel, you no fi bleach.
Right.
Kartel, you fi go back to Shanti. Kartel, you fi stick with Sidem. Kartel, you fi jump. Kartel, you fi stand up. Kartel, you fi fly. Kartel, you fi swim. So everybody have an opinion. So, and as you shall, we don't need years. So, as you shall know what we have to do. Address everybody issue. You know what I mean? Yes, so Vybz Kartel go to work. So, I tell them 6 years ago, said the comment was coming.
Comment is here.
No, the comment is here.
Comment is here, and,
You know what I mean?
and how do you feel about the response that the song has been getting? Because 1 million in 1 day.
Million a day? Yeah, I mean, yeah man, and it's still the number one after what, about 7 days, you know?
Reckon 1 week.
1 week, yeah man, so I just the thing there. So the response, it feel good, but remember, a typical cartel that from before me get locked.
You never really,
No, we're not sweating man, a regular thing that to the teacher man. But remember Gaza Nation are loyalists.
Right,
Gaza Nation are loyalists.
right.
Like Sean Stam. You know what I mean? I was a little son used to say Sean Stam. Yeah, big on me nigga. So yeah, we're not surprised.
Right.
You know what I mean? Gaza Nation they just have wait for the comment.
It's a wait. Gaza Nation, big up on yourself. Because we wait and I'm loyal, stand firm like Sean Stam.
Exactly.
Right? And this is just the result of Gaza Nation being loyal.
Exactly.
And being hopeful, faithful, and just putting it into the universe and see it here right now manifest. It's a manifestation right now, right? So we have to big up the Gaza Nation crew, big up everybody we say Vybz Kartel, Sean Stam, you understand, Mansus, just to see him Cairo.
Free
You
Cairo.
understand? So free Cairo. Gaza Nation, continue doing the thing, big up on yourself, think boss and represent Gaza Nation. Just the same. Alright, so Adija, right? I know you're a very intellect person, and I know that while you were away you must have been reading books, right? Would you like to share with us some of the books that you might have read?
Alright, well when we in a prison, most of the book that we read are fiction.
Right.
Whole heap of Daniel Steele, you know what I mean, and just whole heap of newspaper and them.
Right.
Because you know the media, I feel like them tell the people, so they are also fiction.
Right.
You understand? So yeah, the last book we read was about me Harlem Shuffle.
Right.
Yeah, about black people life in America in the 60s and 70s. Nice and good. I mean, fictional characters. It's centered around real event.
Right.
So you can step in a Kingston bookstore or so, but then can't forget. You know what I mean? And got the book. I'm reading the Nipsey Hussle autobiography. So R.I.P. to Nips. So yeah, you know we always a read and we always a write. Guys, from your right you can't ram.
Right. And if you're right, you can't live. So
I left on me use. That's why I left them in a music. You know that way there? They say things said, man.
Right.
Yeah, man.
Right, and Remember, you are also an author yourself.
Yeah. As a matter of fact,
Yeah.
when we in at the club, remember the bookman we are rolling.
Right.
That's a Michael Darcy. Call him the bookman, because me and him write the book.
Right.
So he's my co-author on the book. And I'm the voice of the Jamaican ghetto. It's sold out. We're going to reprint some copy.
Okay.
Like sold out, you know?
Right.
Yeah, man.
So, is there any more books that you think to write now that just from the experience that you had inside?
Definitely.
Right, so we can look forward to.
Yeah, man, we can look forward. Yeah, man, I'm still have a co-author with Michael Darcy.
Right.
You know what I mean? Him have a bad,
Very.
yeah, man, have a bad writing style too, and him know how to put the story them together. You know what I mean? So, yeah, man, we have a lot of things to say and a lot of experience to give the youth, you know?
Right.
So they can further understand themselves.
Right.
Yeah. Know what to do and what not to do. So, yeah, man, the book is forward here.
Alright, so the viewers want to know, right? Remember from the forward out, God is great, God is real, God is the greatest, God is real, love God, right? People want to know how serious you are about that and how closer have you been to God right now?
I'm very serious because from forward out, I don't hurt nobody. Just behave myself. You see me? I say, now behave myself and I stay up on the straight and narrow.
Right.
You know what I mean? We're not shooting a bow and arrow. Just I want to ease myself and thing and, you know, enjoy life, celebrate life, and celebrate God himself, you know, because of him. See if I know, they are prisoner. Trust me, in my darkest times, and I got to turn to man. Yeah, man, and put in a word, man, or two, and talk to the big man and make him know, say, Father God, get me through the hard deal. Trust me, man. Never stop calling in. Never stop. And that's why you see right now I go so boom and put on the tattoo from in a prison. You understand, because we have the faith now. After we find ourselves, you know, find God within ourselves and without ourselves. The faith was so strong that I put on the tattoo from in a prison. Sean did and see. I will believe, I will know.
So you would say that Vybz Kartel has become more closer to God, and Vybz Kartel found God while being incarcerated.
You can't find God can never last.
Right. God found you.
Exactly.
Right. God found you.
So I don't want you them to understand. You know what I mean? So it is an amazing feeling to know say you're blessed. And know say you're guided by Creator. You know what I mean? Because all it been through, all it I'm charging them been through, I will come out stronger than a man. See man, they are prison now, Puff Daddy may send them on suicide watch. Not in a Cartier watch. So just to show you the resilience what we didn't have where we get it from a God below. I mean we never had a kilo.
Right.
So them way they say, yeah man.
But when you bless you can feel it, because when you bless big up Sidem, because we just say,
come here man. This way baby. Come here. See it? You heard me?
oh, want to subscribe to Kiss Me Baby TV whenever you
Yes, and Sean Stamp TV.
Right.
We talk dancehall.
Right here with Dancehall. Right, so teacher, you look good. I'm not going to tell you, Sidem, I have to compliment your husband. You look good. You look real good.
Thank you, dear boy. Thank
And
you.
my sister, the fashion is still fashioning.
Yeah,
So,
man. Yeah, man.
How you know, from back then fashion, from true religion days, straight jeans and fitted days, to nowadays fashion.
No, I remember when I started.
Right.
It's a set trend,
Right.
even in a fashion. Because
Right.
we just forward, we say jersey. Then we forward again, and we say clothes. Then we forward, and so watch it sleeve out, you know. Ink.
Might say Air Force.
And we say Air Force, we say New Jordan, because the IFS thing. So I just Vybz Kartel Sidem. You know what I mean? It's up to the time thing. So right now we start short and thing. As you notice, we're in a full block. You know, we have to pay homage to the alliance. You know what I mean? We got one ticket line. Yeah, so we're out and about. You know what I mean? Yeah, man.
So the other day I saw some intense. I saw a video with you with some intense workout, and like, what's it like to just be back outside and just be in the gym. Consuming.
Kim.
Amount of people, amount of why I get from
What lose off for you? I can't believe how you want to make them beef statement.
Talk up, Pink.
Yeah, come on, dear.
People, listen, me have to take the wide in because you know say I work me I work and a chicken me a jerk.
No, and then
So,
not work, you have to work.
Right? Because you know say me really can't work.
I
But
know that. Exactly. The world. Next question.
what is life like inside of Kim?
You want to see what I say?
Yeah, come just get a wine, let me take a drink, I'm sure they try. Yeah, daddy.
So you go.
Chi, why you get ready to me?
Yeah man, I said come get a
You
wine.
know, the respect for you, a letter then.
Get a wine.
Just wine.
Wine night.
Up to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I,
My
J,
name
K,
is
L,
wine. So
yeah, I'm alright.
right.
Why at the end?
Rodney.
Yeah. Right.
Price. Right. Big up Rodney price.
Well, listen, what, bro?
You see it on the media, almost every day I hear internet, right? Vybz Kartel internet right now. I don't see nobody else on internet, just Vybz Kartel. So we see you working out, right? How is that for you? You look good, you look fit, healthy. Yeah? How is that for you?
That's a good question you ask, you know, Big Things. My last 2 years of incarceration, then bring me to a place in the prison named jail. It's a small cell within a where we can't move left, we can't move right. So from the lockdown go 3:30, 4 o'clock, sit down, and then get up back 10 o'clock in the next morning. That's how small the cell is. Then you can just sit down, anything is stretched less up, anything is stretched less up. Yeah, arms length. So the movement is limited, and because of that now, we lose a whole heap of muscle memory. Yeah, so it really affect me, and we put on a lot of weight, and you know what I mean, because the illness and them things. So yeah, the last 2 years, could have been two of the hardest.
Right.
You understand? But remember, you know, we're tough like steel. So now we jump out and we in the Kim and build back ourselves and get back with muscle memory. Because the lungs never gone, you know. We still have the power, you know. We move it in the shoulder. We just want to get back the muscle memory in our legs and our arms. You know them way there? Yeah, so I just start. So the last 2 years it kind of made me deteriorate physically. So what we did see when Kartel come out of prison initially and the result of that. So we're in a Kim now and we are work hard.
Okay, I see the result.
Yeah man, the result, and it's getting better because we don't reach equilibrium yet. You know what I mean? We should find the balance and yeah, smooth off right there. So, but it not take no whole heap of time.
And we can see that of course because we can see the feels, the pressure, you know, the movement.
Less pressure.
Right. We can see that definitely. Isaac, are you alone are leading a big belly race now because teacher belly flat?
Isaac belly have a big amount of money when we pay. A rich belly that.
Rich belly?
Yes sir. So rich belly.
Right.
Big up Isaac. Yeah.
Number one lion in Jamaica right now.
And indeed the Caribbean.
Yes. Right? Right. Isaac, obviously, because you made it possible. You and God.
Yes.
Right?
I agree.
Give them up. So, the viewers would like to know, reach sassy part now, no? Yeah. And the viewers, they want to ask this hard. The viewers, they answer the comments, they want to ask this hard. So, viewers would like to know, right? If there will be a reunion with the Gaza Empire.
Oh, Portmore Empire, which they can call it Gaza Empire as well.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? But there will be a reunion, but and everybody welcome. Straight, broadly, you see? Yeah, because remember, you know, enough of them never want to go forward out. You know what I mean? Straight up, me I tell you. And think, remember, you know, people can be around you and still jealous of you.
Definitely.
You know that too, you know.
Know that too.
You see me? Me and you reason all the time, so you understand. So you will have friends around you, and sometimes even family.
Right.
And them secretly hate you and envy you. Simple as that. So none of them can forward around, man, because they never believe. Never believe that. You see me? Yeah, man. So, and everybody here will see. But you will see so.
Right. Alright, so that's a good one. Yeah. We'll go back in our history, look at the time travel. Right? Vybz Kartel and Clash. What was that like? The whole Gaza gully thing, and then the clash after the clash, and then next day, like before even 24 hours, we'll get a song. Last Man Standing. Yeah. Can you take us back in time to that moment?
I want to tell you, say, oh, that song the forward about us, when I tell you, you have to spontaneous in our music.
Right.
Because when we leave, it's the over Jam World, you know. You have people that say, Kartel kill Mavado. And you have people that say, Mavado kill Kartel.
Right.
So, right, the saying was said, everybody have their own opinion, and it never did concrete.
Right.
So, remember, you know, Big Yard and Cassava Piece, right across the road from one another. Basically, side and side. You know, man into the road, small.
Right.
So when we are drive past now, left Jam World, Mavado left Jam World, him reach a Cassava Piece, media Big Yard, and everybody has celebrate and I make nice, but I never feel good in myself. I mean, I say, watch ya. Because I jump on my phone and call Not Nice, and the Not Nice, I don't if it reach a yard. You see me kind of amount of traffic. And think I'm saying, Not Nice, far down on the street. Father Rome is true, the big up Father Rome. Lisa did that. That's why you're hearing at the intro, I say, Lisa I, Baba boy, embarrassing fat. And Lisa did that. And believe you me, when Not Nice forward, Not Nice build the rhythm in about 30 seconds. And my voice is song in a 30 seconds. So 1 minute. That's why you're Not Nice, so by the time him done record the song, and by the time he go back on the yard, you hear it on the radio. You understand? So I saw his settings work, you know, so that was a historical moment as well. Maybe I wanted that to get after Freedom Street, December 31st.
Exclusives.
Yeah.
Only the exclusive when you can't, so I'm never telling them right here. So Top Dancehall, Shantam TV, you go subscribe now.
Right.
And if you not subscribe, go on, but telling your mother, my auntie, sister, brother, uncle, dog, cat, everything, you go subscribe right now.
Share. Somebody doctor prescribed.
Right. Alright. So the whole guys are going thing. Right? What do you call right now in today's dancehall? We don't really see much of that going on right now. So what can you tell the younger youth in dancehall right now about the whole clashing thing and you know?
Nothing wrong with clashing. A part of Jamaican culture. A part of Jamaican culture. Clashing. But there is a sound clash. I remember we grew up Stone Love, Metro Media, and Ricky Chopper, that Kilimanjaro, Fire Links, them Black Cat, Bass Odyssey. Yeah, you understand? Pink Panther them, Bass Odyssey. We grew up in our clashing culture, and based on when me research the history of Jamaican music, me get to find out that I want from even before reggae, from like Prince Buster them days and Derek Morgan them and you know them long time singer there. So clash culture in Jamaica going from long time. From I guess in the 20s and 30s, then it forward in a reggae and it forward in a dance. So what I love see all the young youth them would do in a clash. I mean I talk about real clash like back in the day. I not talk about show about for internet. Ninja, Shabba, Bounty B, and the Vybz Kartel, Mavado, Super Cat, Ninja, you know what I mean?
Some authentic clash.
Authentic lyrical clash. Two artists them on stage and I showcase them lyrics and I fight for dominance. I think you watch Animal Planet, National Geographic. Clashing is a natural part of life. Lion is a natural instinct, you know what I mean? You not forget violent, you know what I mean? Just do it on a musical level and the people in the jive. And it's good for the genre too, because remember, you know, when me and Mavado are clashing. So we basically take over the whole world, you know, as far as Africa, you know, remember that highlight modern dancehall to the African thing, you know. Back in like 2007, 2008, it was the Gaza Gully clash there. And biggest clash, and you see right now, Africa fully dancehall. You know what I mean? So clashing is a good thing, in my opinion.
I would say
we don't need yours.
I would say the same thing, and I'm glad to talk about Africa because Africa looks up to move so much. For you in Africa, you are dancehall.
Definitely.
But you are dancehall.
Yeah,
You
man,
understand?
globally, world boss.
Africa. The love that I have been seeing on the internet from the Africans towards you is tremendous.
Yeah, man.
Right,
I will reciprocate the love too, so
Right.
they got the whole Africa, you know.
Right. Right. Powerful message to the youths. Hope you guys are listening. Alright, so do you think dancehall is where it's supposed to be right now?
I mean, we could have the further, but remember, I know how dancehall work. Remember, dancehall get the real push.
Right.
Well, I'm correct myself. Indigenous dancehall not get the real push.
Right.
And you still can sugarcoat it
Right.
and use certain people and get commercialized dancehall and call it dancehall. But we know so the real dancehall, the writers.
Right.
You know what I mean? The Kartel, the Mobile, the Bunty Killer, the Beanie Man,
Shabba.
you know what I mean? And the Shabba, no, Shabba did it.
Right.
You know what I mean? And enough other man did it, but we're talking about now the current state of dancehall need a bigger push from the major record label there.
Right.
In America,
Right.
in Europe, to put it where it should be. Remember, you know, our understand dancehall is very intolerant. Sometimes it can be very X-rated, sometimes it can be very violent. But we can say the same about whole heap of genre, we can say the same about rock and roll.
Right.
We can say the same about
Hip-hop.
country and western. Some people are surprised. Some people can say the same about hip-hop as well. You know what I mean? So dancehall no worse than nobody. Yeah. You know what I mean? So what dancehall really need is just the major record label. Come forward back in it and get it. Highlight and everything. I want to shout that talent for you. Remember Jamaica for a small island. We build 5 world-class genres. We have mental, we have ska, we have rocksteady, we have reggae, we have dancehall, build hip-hop and build reggae dance. So we can come to that 7.
Right. And I would
A
say,
little island.
I would say Afrobeat too.
We can count it at 8, but you want me to put Afrobeat in it. That's what I will come from Africa.
Right.
So just know them. But we were forward over from the continent and forward into the west.
Right.
We are the best.
Back to Afrobeat. People are saying Afrobeat bigger than dancehall and this and that, but what would you say about that? What's your
Alright,
opinion?
I can say a few things. The first thing is Afrobeat get the push.
Right,
So that we
definitely.
just a talk about. You know what I mean? Afrobeat play more on the major radio station them in America, in Europe. More than dancehall. And me just give a few reasons why.
Right.
But then again, me still I say those are not cause we concerned because hip hop
Same,
violent.
right?
Yeah, exactly. So because it's just
Yeah.
expression of where we come from.
Right.
It's just an expression of where we come from. You know what I mean? And our music, a substance music.
Right.
Afrobeat is just fun and it's nice.
Right,
Me
just
personally like it. Yeah, you know, escapism. You know what I mean? So it's nice, but them get the push from the major record labels.
right, definitely.
You know what I mean? I think right now Afrobeats have a category in a lot of award shows in America.
Yeah,
Dancehall have a category.
Right.
No, we don't have a category, we have to share it with reggae.
True, reggae
Them
dancehall.
people is reggae.
True. You need to put some respect on dancehall.
Yeah, I need to put some music because remember, you know, as we say, even hip hop forward from that Jamaican style of toasting.
Right.
You know what I mean? So we need more highlight. And once we get the highlight, that's it. Go full of stars. Star
Full of
is our
star
problem. Talent is our problem. You know what I mean? As I always say, and as we say, big up Afrobeat same because one black music.
Right.
Yeah, the whole of our heartbeat the same.
Right.
Yeah. So that's why it comes. My favorite Afrobeat artist is Wizkid, by the way. Big up the Wiz. You know?
Right. Wow, this is indeed a powerful interview. Powerful. And I'm telling you, Shanstam TV Talk Dancehall is where we talk dancehall, but you get exclusives. It not get no better than this, it get greater than this, right? So Adija, oh my God, I am still starstruck. I know you, and I've been around you so many times, and trust me, Star Presence is just everything.
Come back to where we talk about Jamaica and shot a star.
Right.
And we not shot a talent. Matter of fact, we major newspaper near star.
Right. Because what advice can you give to the youth out there looking up to Vybz Kartel and say, yeah man, proud a teacher, they want to be a teacher too. You know, ghetto youth, in the ghetto where want an opportunity?
I mean, the same thing I'm always tell them. You know what I mean? You have to love it. You have to work hard and you have to dedicate it to it. And strive to be different. You know them way there? Strive to be different. So if Sean Stan drop a song about Nike, you don't have to sing a song about Reebok.
Right.
You can sing a song about bike.
Right.
You understand? So you have to strive to be different. That's the thing. Strive to be different. Hard work, and you have to have a genuine love for it. Because a lot of talented youth when we meet along the way, going to places like even in the hotel, going to places like even a prison, see some bad artists, but them a water. So they give up on them dream. Maybe a little bit too early. Maybe next week them did our bus. And then go get them bus. So boy, me give up on this one for work this week. Not knowing that next week your bus will come. You understand? So you have to be dedicated to it, and once you believe and know say you're destined for it, for greatness, don't give up. Big up Denham Town, big up Gaza, big up Liverpool. Don't give up. You know them really, yeah man, that's the thing.
Right. And what can we look forward to for December the 31st?
So, yo, Pinky Pinks, Sean Stam TV. As usual, when it forward to Vybz Kartel, just expect the unexpected. Remember, everybody knows that Spice already book featuring off look for it. I remember from the king there, the queen of it. You know what I mean? You know, whole heap of Prince there, whole heap of royalty, you know, Sean Stam there, Tammy Lee there, you know what I mean? Skilly Bang there. And even I got Lisa Hyper, I remember, you know. A little nostalgia.
Right.
I feel that Sean Stam TV, so them I forget the exclusive, you know.
Right.
So a little nostalgia there, so look out for that Empire segment. You know what I mean? So, and we don't say nothing more because Sean Stam TV, this is the biggest exclusive.
Right.
Nobody else now get when we just say.
Right.
Because I'm so elusive.
Right.
Yeah. Well, you don't know the things said. Yeah, man. So to the people in the question, me don't be intrusive.
No intruders.
A one sip and a two sip. Yeah, me that. So, yeah, man. December 31st, I'm trouble. Yeah, man. God and time.
Right. People, I'm gonna stop questioning the thing now, man. I'm telling her already, don't I'm ever telling her again. Sean Stam TV, Talk Dancehall, where the exclusives are.
Yes, no, man.
And be a star.
Yes, no, man.
You understand? Right here, so we get all the exclusives. Right now, we're here with the teacher. Vybz Kartel, Adija, Azim, Farmer, World Boss, Great, the Goat, the Giant, the Comet.
Yes, and I'm here again.
Right here, right now.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
So, teacher, tell them where they can find you on all platforms.
Alright, I'm going away platform.
Right.
But yeah, man, so, you know what the Instagram, Vybz Kartel.
Yeah.
TikTok, Vybz Kartel. I'm if you say this, because I remember, you know, no, that me go say no. I remember exclusive we are talking about, you know.
Right.
You have some Vybz Kartel on Twitter, what they call X now, where they may have blue tick. But we can tell them my Twitter page, or X page now as they call it, is I am Vybz Kartel. I am Vybz Kartel, one word. You know what I mean? Yeah. So I'm hardly using it. Anything else you want to say?
Refuse it.
Refuse it. But me don't want to say refuse it. But me don't want to say use it. Because remember, you know, people will love Kartel. You know, so you see, as long as them now use the platform for try hustle the people, them, yeah. So, but you know, you can't go up on it because most of the youth them were when they see with the fake page, them are still Kartel supporter. As long as them not, yeah, them still here. Because them I say them are disciple. As long as them not try thief or yeah. So my official original Twitter handle is I am Vybz Kartel. On Facebook, I don't even remember my Facebook page, but me not use it. Anytime me I use it, I go post it on my Instagram, on my TikTok so I can know. So me not there on Facebook. Contrary to what I found believe. Look at my shirt sleeve. I go down with my sleeve then. Me not there on Facebook, see it? Yeah, sleeve, yeah, look at my shirt, yeah man, look at my t-shirt man. So, you know me only use Instagram at Vybz Kartel and TikTok at Vybz Kartel. With the blue, two of them are blue tick, yeah.
One day I knows.
No, we can't out here. Where we can see them? Yeah.
Alright, so that's it. That's it. Alright.
But you're outside when it goes.
Yeah. So people, remember, I did always I'm telling you from day on, I'm telling you now. Right here on Shansam TV, Talk Dancehall is where they get the exclusives. You can't get exclusive interview nowhere else. And right now in a new segment, exclusive, super exclusive. And that one in here, Kiss Me Baby.
Come here, man. Kiss me, baby. Come here. See it? You have to go get. What's your heard me?
Oh, want to subscribe to Kiss Me Baby TV whenever you
Yes, and Shansam TV.
Right,
Go
right.
with our dancer.
Right here with Dancehall. So right now we are here with the husband and wife to be,
Yes.
Adija Palmer and Sidem
Mama.
right? So I know say the viewers them
Oh.
hear of this, right? So I'm gonna leave an opinion in the comment section, of course, right? So Sidem, let me go at you first. Welcome to Shansam TV, Talk Dancehall, right? Looking beautiful as ever. First thing I want to ask you, Sidem, where you find a faith there? Where you get a faith there? Come remember, you know, Sidem. Remember, all the people lose faith, right? Never think so dancehall are the righteous right now. But you, Sidem, you stood out most of all.
Facts.
The toughest and the toughest of times, you, right? So you get the album, True Religion.
How will you find that faith there, daddy?
You find that faith to believe that
That faith,
Vybz
that
Kartel
body,
will
no,
be a
daddy.
free man today and be right here with you right now as your fiance.
It's a you question, baby. They're asking you where that people there with her. I remember she not do, you know what I mean?
So them don't do interviews.
Yeah, she not really do interview.
I just followed my heart, and that's all I did. Like, I didn't know that I was doing it. I followed my heart and just believe in him.
It's a good art.
Right. Alright, so perfect answer, Sidem.
Good
when you hear
heart.
that, when you need to go find the faith of Sidem and use it, because somehow
Follow her
when
heart.
I have no faith in a little boyfriend, them have faith and when you get great results. Right? So
Go.
I have to say this. I don't see this nowhere else. At the first, I see Vybz Kartel and Sidem together, doing an interview together. You know, I see Anthony Miller, yeah, white, but that wasn't that interview together. So this is actually the first interview you and Sidem together, right?
Real interview on the Gaza station.
You know, because yeah, you have to big up the hotel over there because you know, we actually stay here.
Right.
And when we're in Kingston, we stay here. We've been house shopping, we'll find something nice.
Right.
So in the future, you don't know, we're not gonna be exclusive
Right.
when we move in together. So now we're just house shopping,
Right.
but we actually stay here. Huh? We have house shopped, and we actually get it there, we'll find it. You know what I mean? So yeah, this is the first interview, exclusive, Shansam TV, me and my fiance. And you mean she pretend I'm Beyonce? And they say a thing there, you know?
Duh.
Right.
Yeah, you're right.
So Sidem, what was the first night like? You don't have to go in details now, but just the first night with your future husband, what was it like for you?
You want me answer? Or you answer it?
No, you know.
No, you answer. My answer is too slow.
Alright, come on.
Shansam TV is exclusive, so anything.
What you mean? Play this
It was surreal. It was
Yeah.
kind of like, are you really
Yeah.
here? And then it was just like, I kept thinking like, you know, I'm in some sort of dream, and I'm just gonna wake up.
Right.
So I was like, what would I do if I wake up? I don't know. It's just
Yeah, cause you tell me about pinch me, baby. That she has said. She said she won me and I said, baby, you're free. You're out. You know what I mean? It's a joy, man. Yeah, man. Trust me, man.
How did you feel? How did you
Me?
feel? Yeah.
I feel like me, as she said, it's surreal. Because I remember, you know, knowing her, most of knowing her was what? In a prison. You come visit me 2019, Spanish Town prison. convinced her to move to Jamaica, Horizon Prison. Then they transfer me, GP Prison. So throughout me and her entire relationship, except for the last 2 months,
Exclusive.
you know what I mean, until prison tour, exactly, babes. From prison to prison, and now the Phoenix has risen. So it's an amazing feeling, you know them way there? And like she said, it was very surreal because me and her in the bed, when we were watching and he's like, we said, yo, she said, babes, you're free, pinch me, you know, and yeah man, it was just a joy, trust me, you know.
Sometimes I wake up and just look over to my side to see if he's really there.
Exactly, exactly. Yeah man, I tell yourself about a week straight. See them just step on bed. Free.
A week.
More than a week, but like for the first week, like you do it every minute. And even me, I have to say, free. You know, so it was a joy, man. Trust me, big things, man. You know, even now, we still I live the dream. Yeah, man. Definitely, man. Trust me.
Well, I'm telling the people, I truly not even know the feeling where me I feel right I say because for me, I get the exclusive interview with Vybz Kartel. It's not on stage, it's not Anthony. It's a Pinky Pinks and Sean Sam TV. Yeah, top dancehall, right? And I'm telling you, this beautiful couple right here, Vybz and Sidem, and DJ and Sidem, Mama, you not get no better than this. You can only get great, right? Right, so we know that you two officially met in 2019, right?
Spanish.
But before that, you were dating for since 2015, right? And that was just via the internet, right? But when me want to know, I'm sure the people them want to know, because we are fast now, you know. I will message you first. I'm going to ask, see them, I don't want to hear you. See them, me ask. Who message who first, see them?
He messaged me first. So yeah, I did stalk him.
Right?
I wanted to just follow him,
Right.
so I can keep up with his music,
Right.
just know what he's up to. But he messaged me, and that's how we got.
Right? Don't tell her what you say. Alright, don't tell her what you say. Alright. Unzip you.
Okay.
Good.
Alright, God, them say, right, Siva, them say, you know where you're from, she, so I'm not going to say.
Alright, Mr. World Boss, are you now?
Alright. Me see, cause you know them time me new to Instagram,
Right.
2015, when Instagram
Just
come out
popular to
2015.
Jamaica in 2014.
In 2014,
and 2015
exactly.
It was, yeah.
Exactly, so me have like, how much followers me have them time?
4,500.
4,500. So, yeah, you know Instagram, but you have 4,500 followers, 10% of them at any given time with like a picture,
Right,
interact with you. So,
And you were private.
I made it private, my page is private. You know what I mean? So, see her on the page, on my baby mother page. No, I'm see her on my page first.
Right.
And this little girl are pretty, you know, and she not talk, she just a move.
Yeah.
But you know how women stay. Them will not forward to you, but them present themselves in a way, you understand me, G? Where you see them.
So you see them.
Pun intended. Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, she forward away there and then I'm go across in her DM. I think it was about 3 p.m. And thing and
Gonna get it?
you get it? So, I mean, and I did the talk, and you know, she tell me a question, where you come from, and cause she look exotic.
Right, she was different.
She don't look white, but she don't look, she look Jewish, she look Puerto Rican, she look Mexican, she look Arabic. So me I ask her question and thing, and she tell me say she come from Turkey, but she live in England and blah blah blah, and then me and her eat it off straight away. You know what I mean? The energy in a lie, man, is like we know one another for years.
Right.
You know what I mean? And I go prove it. She actually know me for years because she was a avid fan.
Right.
Watch me interview them, can even tell me about some things I'm saying in an interview. You know, she know me sang them and and she was, to me, she was fascinating. Trust me, she was a fascinating person and she captivated me. And she win me attention from them time. Yeah, she not even have my book. You know what I mean? So she captivated me with one look. And trust me, steal her out like a crow. Believe me, man, and I tell her.
Rhyme
from
for
there,
days.
that's so much sailing.
And that's when you even start working.
No, we never had to work with other people. She worked for me. Because I actually give her my Instagram. She used to run my Instagram. Like, yeah man, them time my name I am world boss.
And I had to get your body.
And she actually tell me say, yo, you can get your name, you know, and she get my name and get my blue tick, you know what I mean? And yeah man, me and her hit it off. Night on top of night, days on top of days, you know what I mean? We just sit there talk. Till we dying for the place locked down. I know we can't rise up our phone till the place locked down in the evening.
Right.
So yeah man, we dying to just get my phone in the evening to talk to her. It was a joy. Any hours a day I link her, she answer whether she asleep, whether she at work, you know. So 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock in the morning, because you know the British time difference, you know. 6 hours ahead. I mean, I tell you, it was amazing. Destiny.
Right. So people, it's for all of you out there we are hate and we have this to say and that to say about them, we just get piece of history. So it's never a running thing and it wasn't a stalker thing like wanna say, come see wanna say, right? That you may really answer but someone not get it, right? So we have a little more, you know, we have a little more information about, you know, it never just come up out of nowhere just like that.
Nah
you
man,
understand?
it real man, we are forward from far 2015 man, and, you know, the struggle is real and she did it right through like night through. She never yet looked at me and said, oh, I can't bother with this man, whatever, you're not coming out, never.
In any way.
Anyway, she ever encouraged me and I say, yo, you go come out. Baby, and she love her little God thing for me for them time there too. You know what I mean? And she ever said, God and me, I will come out and I pray for you and we see the future with we and Ray. Yeah, man. Yeah.
He didn't bring me to my life to take you away.
Exactly. She always used to tell me, say, God never bring you in. God never brought you in my life to take you away.
Exactly.
Yeah, man, and them things that really touch me heart, you know. So I can't let her off, man. No time, man. They put a ball blood.
Right.
Yeah, man, I might see them.
Still not see them. Right. Alright, so Sidem, how do you feel about the way the Jamaican people has been receiving you? You know, some of them must say Sidem, some of them must say, you know, how do you feel about that? Because you know, we Jamaicans, we don't really like foreign things in terms of anything new to us. We kind of shun it off and kind of treat it, you know, before getting to know about the person or whatever. You understand?
You know, stepchild treatment.
Right, stepchild and stepmother, stepfather, when I really deal with step. You know, what's it like for you? Because I'm sure you have been seeing the comments in the media, comments under his pages and stuff like that. People say, yeah man, I want to see them, love her, she good fame and stuff like that. And you know, I'm sure you've seen the hate comments as well. But how do you balance them? How do you respond to them?
Well, everyone I've met in real life has been really nice. I haven't met anyone that's like said anything bad or done anything bad. Internet is the internet, so everyone's gonna release their inner demons.
Behind the phone.
Right.
So that, in terms of that, I don't really go on the internet like that. Sometimes I'll read his comments, but I'm not really on the internet like that.
She focused on me, not the net. Don't forget.
And I really care.
Always rhyming, yeah.
Let them know.
I don't care. I don't care because I know what I've got, I know what we've got, and I know what I want and what I need.
And that's all that matters.
Just like that.
I feel like what said she a CIA, she a CIA. Understand? Sidem. No CIA.
Yeah.
So just get that straight, and she's not my handler.
No one can handle me.
No one. Yes, she said no one can handle me. I am her handler. Okay, Mr. and Mrs. Chandler.
World boss, say everything.
Don't forget.
So alright, this is for both of you, right? Because I know
World boss, say all the hated, all the hatred comments.
Different thing, right? And you guys are engaged to be married. So what's it like? What is the relationship like now, differently from what it was on the internet with you guys?
You answer first.
Answer.
To
being in the relationship with him, other than from
Like physically.
physically, right?
He was annoying then, he's annoying now.
So they go straight away.
But I wouldn't change
Yeah.
I wouldn't change a thing.
Right.
I'm glad. I'm happy with everything. And I think everyone can see I'm happy.
Right, definitely.
I can't hide my happiness.
Right.
Okay, me have to answer that now. Me and her,
Yeah.
like from being a girl from their prison,
Right.
we come out, the transition was seamless.
Yeah.
Yeah, it come like me and her there for years.
Right.
You know what I mean? You understand?
To grow.
That's right.
Yeah, we are growing. We've been growing.
Right.
So when we come out of the blossom that on the flowers, we're still growing together, but the blossom, right? Yeah, man. Cause when we forward out, we flow like, you know what I mean? As you see, on the video when we come out and we hug her up and thing, and we start walk together. That's it. Rock.
It kind of felt like I took him out the phone and put him next to me.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's how it felt.
See, that's true. You're right. When we come out and see her out, because remember, you know, you have to say virtually all the way existence together. I see her one time, Spanish Town. You did come visit me that year, in 2019. Remember, you and Lisa Iber. So, I see her that time, 2 days? 2 days. And, you know, the visit was good. And them time they would get like, what, 20 minutes?
One of them was 20 minutes.
One of them was 20 minutes, and one was like an hour and a half, exactly. And then from 2019,
Right.
then we not see her back till we get a supervised visit. When we see her on regular visit through the glass,
Corona did it, so they put
Yeah.
everything kind of
It
locked
shut down.
No more family days.
no more family days, so like 2 years.
Right.
And then she forward back now. When they come, 2022, you know what I mean? August 20, never forget, August 15, 2022, she forward back and we did a visit her rise until them transfer me to GP, which was like kind of a blessing in disguise, because I remember me used to get
One visit a week.
1 visit a week at Rising. When I got GP, I started getting 2 visits a week. You know what I mean? So I could have see her more often. So that was a joy. And we get 2 supervised visits. We could actually touch her. And then we have family day where you see me hug her up and thing. And, yeah, so you know. We just get closer and closer and closer till it culminates in the big event where we come out and get to actually live with her now. You know what I mean?
You guys are doing Kiss Me Baby TV, so
Yeah, man.
the fans are
Yeah,
getting to
man.
know a little bit more about the relationship and see you guys interact together more, and you know what's it like to do that, the whole Kiss Me Baby thing. We know where it came from, but you know transitioning into vlogging and having people see what it's like to just be around each other, and you know.
You want? Okay, let me answer. She bring me in a fear world.
Right.
But remember, she's not a famous person.
Right.
So fear world consists of her mother. You know what I mean? R.I.P. to her dad, because I never get to know him. Him drop out before. So R.I.P. to her dad. So her world consists of her mom and her close friend them. You know, big up Vybz, big up your sister Didem, big up Bervan, big up Charla, big up me Eritrean friend Selma, and big up Claire from Uganda. So that's a fair circle of friends. So she bring me in a fair world. Me bringing her in my world now.
Right.
Through me a Vybz Kartel.
Right.
It come like
Two
the entire
different
universe, 2 different
Right.
worlds. You know, but she also know my family, my mother, my
Kids.
sisters, my kids, my grandkids here, you know, my daughter-in-law and things. So
You know the Gaza family.
she know and the Gaza family, which is the fame part.
Right.
You know what I mean? And the kids, my grandkids, my daughter-in-law, as I said. So no, it's good, man. Trust me. You know, we share the best of both worlds together. You know what I mean? Yeah. So it's great, amazing.
The viewers them want to know, 'cause one time I think he said on the internet that Sidem was pregnant.
No, but the bad mind
And-
people, them that carry the belly, them not that shit, man.
Yeah, but them a say, me I tell you what them a say now.
See what they see.
Me I tell you what them a say in the streets now.
Yeah.
Them say a sight, see my you see them a bring for truth.
I mean, time will tell. Time will tell. We don't have nothing to say.
Right.
Time will tell. You know what I mean?
You know, have nothing to say, people. You know,
Time
see.
will
Zip it. I could keep, yeah. Alright. So, people, we're not getting nothing more. We're too enough and too fast. Boy, I don't nothing. Right? If you don't want to know more, subscribe to Kiss Me Baby TV.
Yes.
Listen to them vlog and see what's going on. When teacher they on the road and see them there inside and she eat some mangoes and stuff like that. So,
Yeah.
You know, see
Me
more.
come for your mangoes. Butter from Shein.
And look at attitude, you know? Yeah. So people, boy, I'm telling you, it's an amazing feeling to just be here right now with the world boss and in beautiful fiance, Sidem. It's a beautiful feeling and to know that Shamsam TV, I get this Talk Dancehall, I get them exclusive, yeah. Super exclusive.
Yes.
Right? You better go subscribe because you don't know. You don't know what you might see. You don't know what you might hear. So just subscribe and turn on the notification bell. Right? Put it to all so that you'll be informed whenever a video drop. So you just do the right thing. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Your mother, your father, sister, brother, everybody, aunt, uncle, dog, rat, chat. All the bird and the bees. Tell them. Because Jesus and the disciple them know. So you need to know and do the right thing. So you have it here. Kiss Me Baby exclusive, right? Kiss Me Baby exclusive, and I am your host, Pinky Pinks, aka Pink Boss, right? Teacher, what on the was?
I'm out.
You don't know. You see it, Shamsam TV. Make sure to subscribe. Make sure to go over there, watch the full video again. You see me? Because more things over there. So make sure to go over there and like up the video and things and them things there. Wanna see it? At the teacher, at fully Gaza zone, signing out. Make sure to like up the video, share the video, do all type of things. Blessed. I'm out.